Oh, man.
Get it.
Pashemik, that one's yours.
Yeah.
It went right to you, dude. Hi, everybody. We're back. We're gonna make a French fry and hot dog pizza. First thing you gotta do, you gotta get some French fries. You can either buy them, you could roast off some potatoes. I find the best way is just fry some yourself. Right now we got some shoestrings and we're gonna put them in some fryer oil. Be careful, this is super dangerous. So we're using shoestring potatoes. They're super crispy, they're super light. Everyone loves them. The only secret is a lot of salt. A lot of salt, more than you think you need. You guys might think this is like an odd flavor combination, the pizza with the French fries. And for a lot of people it is, but surprisingly, you go to Naples, Italy, and this is a very common pizza to find on the menu. At my pizzeria, we'll run this as a special sometimes, but we use like different ingredients, but if you can make this at your house, it's gonna be fantastic. At the end of the day, it's pretty much however you wanna make it, you know? This day we're doing shoestring. You can use McDonald's French fries. You can even roast off some crinkle cuts that you got in your freezer. So I know you got some. You can even use chips, but not the chips that you're thinking of, the British chips. Oh wait, what are chips called in Britain? Crisps?
Crisp.
So don't use crisps. You know what? Use whatever you want, guys. Any crispy potato base. Guys, are we gonna fry some hot dogs?
All right.
Woo!
Dog.
Just make sure they don't stick to the bottom. Again, you don't have to fry the hot dogs. I do it because it's delicious. You can just cook them on a pan or just warm them up. We're putting these on post oven, so you have to have them warm and cooked. And as you see, these are coming out to be beautiful little hot dog balls. There we go, guys. Looking great. These are like perfect little hot dog balls, dude. I couldn't have done it any more perfect if I tried. This is the same dough recipe from our cheese pizza video. You can find that on Gozney.com. All right, so right now we're just kind of pressing this out, trying to get just everything kind of even and uniform. We're not pressing out the edges. We want just a little bit of crust. Then I flip it over onto my knuckles, give it a little knuckle stretch. If you want to do the amateur version, that's kind of pretty easy too. You just pick it up, let it sit on the table a little bit and kind of stretch it out like this. Not ideal, but it works. There we go. There it is, baby. This is just a cheese pizza, dude. We're just gonna put some cheese on it. We're using fresh mozzarella. Just hit it with a little bit of olive oil, babe. And that's it, man. All right, it's looking like she's done. Boom. All right, comes out hot as hell. Make sure to put all your ingredients on top. Yeah. There we go. Hot dog and French fry pizza. For more, go to Gozney.com. The last little bit we gotta do is cut it up and have our little sound guy, Glenn, come test it out. Come here, Glenn, I know you like hot dogs.
Little?
Check it out, buddy, it's good.
So the American?
No, it's very Italian, actually.
Right. I was going to say something American. Gee whiz.
Oh.
Gee whiz pop.
Oh, skiddlywinks.
It's quite big. Oh, it's everything I hoped it would be.
Yeah, it can't be bad. It's a pizza with hot dogs and French fries on it.
Thank you, it's very nice.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. Oh, God.
Did you say potato?
Do you guys say potato or is it potato? Right?